China's recent enactment of new rules in the South China Sea that grants its Coast Guard sweeping powers to detain foreigners in disputed areas has ignited widespread condemnation. In what clearly seems a provocative move, these controversial regulations allow for the detention of foreign nationals without charge or trial for up to 60 days in contested maritime zones, conditions given if they are suspected of breaking China's border entry and leave restrictions. Meanwhile, vowing to not back out, the Philippines President Ferdinand Marcos criticized the new law, calling them concerning, and also warned China of the serious escalation of conflict. Since the Philippines contests China's broad claims over large areas of the South China Sea, this action, which takes effect from Saturday, has heightened tensions among neighboring Southeast Asian countries. The Philippines President Ferdinand Marcos has criticized the new law, calling them a concerning violation. Manila has raised its patrols in waters that are under dispute and expressed alarm over what it believes is the Chinese Coast Guard's aggressive tactics against Filipino fishermen. With trillions of dollars worth of trade passing through each year, not only the South China Sea is essential to world trade, but it also serves as a focal point for geopolitical rivalry due to its abundance of natural resources. By enforcing these laws, China is undermining international maritime law and norms and signaling a major escalation in its maritime strategy. The anticipated outcome of this trend is to intensify regional instability and strain relations with neighboring countries even further in one of the world's most strategically important regions. The conflict is highlighted by the rise in confrontations, which include hostile encounters and the deployment of water cannons. In the wake of China's strong maritime actions, due process and human rights issues have been brought up, prompting quick international criticism. China's moves have drawn ire from the group of 7 countries, that is G7, who denounce what they refer to as dangerous incursions and militarized attempts in the South China Sea. The issue is being closely eyed owing to concerns about the possibility of an escalation and how it could affect economic stability and regional security. In an attempt to maintain international law principles in the South China Sea and alleviate the situation, the international community is expected to step up diplomatic efforts as tensions rise.